Hello, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing it this way because there's a lot of ruckus in the background. So hopefully you guys can hear me better. I don't have money for a mic and all that good stuff. I just record straight off my iPad. I love makeup. I love doing unboxings, and I love doing readings. So we're gonna start off with a reading. I have this book. It's all broken up, but it was my sister's book. It was her daily affirmation book, and she passed away. And this is something of hers that I kept, and it's actually called Daily Affirmations, Forgiving and Moving On by Tion Dayton, PhD. Because I always get asked about this, so yeah. And then the cover, it's just all I use it a lot. So yeah, forgiving and moving on. Today is what? We have faith. April 30th, faith. Here's the reading. Today, I do not require anyone's testimony but my own to prove to me that my life has depth, beauty, and meaning. It is in the quiet recognition of my inner spirit that I know this to be true. Each day brings forth a kind of truth, if I am able to see it as such. Lessons that are mine to learn come forward into life in a variety of forms. What I am ready to learn next is in front of me. There is a kind of trust that I am developing for the actual process of living as I grow and change. There is a kind of faith in life that grows inside of me. I accept the deep meaning of life. It is your own asset to yourself and the constant voice of your own reason and not of others that should make you believe. So that was a very beautiful reading. Today I'm not going to let anyone's opinions of me affect me. My life has depth, beauty, and meaning. We're all here for a reason, whatever reason that is. It's not for us to understand, it's just for us to journey through. Life is a journey for sure. Like, we all got things going on in life. We've all been through, some traumatic events or loss or grief or pain or so many things, and we're all equal, we're all valid. You're all valid in what you feel and what you've been through, and it does matter, So anyway, I have another box. We're gonna open it. So let us see what we got. And it's all banged up. What the heck? That's not too bad, but here's how it's looking. This is it. So I have this little thing here, Boxycharm, Festival Vibes, Misguided Clothes, and my products, and there's a lot of stuff, like that's pretty good. That's Boxy Lux. That's the one that comes every 3 months, and you get a bunch of products, and I really like that box. So yeah, anyway, let's see what we got, y'all. First thing on the list is I really like it, but I don't want to, so this might go on a giveaway for someone. Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask, MSRP $38. And I just explained, it looks like honey, has a little thing that magnetized to the cover. Like, you dip some in, you put it on your face, you start rubbing it in, it starts looking like creamy and white. Oh, that's from my eyebrows, and that's from cleaning up my eyebrows. I just don't have a wipe. I didn't wipe it off. So yeah, Honeydew or Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. Next product, Cover FX Water Cloud Primer, Pollution and Blue Light Defense, a cooling mousse primer that instantly refreshes complexion, defends skin against pollution and blue light, enriched with plankton extract to work against the effects of blue light emissions in urban pollutants. Wear it alone or under makeup to nourish and protect skin all day long. MSRP $38. I like this. It says you can wear it without makeup, you know, and it's for pollution, blue light, whatever. Like, put it on, then I can go on my tablet. Water cloud primer. I'm definitely keeping this. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's blue. It smells like something. I don't know, skincare, something. Can't tell what it smells like. But yeah. Next thing I was hoping to get is just this little Natasha Denona blush duo. Finely milled, non-oily, intensely pigmented blush with a soft, silky texture for a naturally bright look. Perfect for all skin types. This duo blush palette provides a dominant color right side and a more subtle on the left side for seamless blending and softening edges. MSRP is $38. So let us look and see how it looks.
Mom,
What?
no.
What you got? Cookies? Ooh, Carmen, you got all kinds of nummy. Is that in a little box? Here is the blush. Natasha Denona blush. I never even held one of these yet. It says Blue Ford. What? How is that blush? Look at that. Okay, I got my brush, right? Okay. Blush I always put like up here. So let's try it. Let's go in with this one. This looks like bronzer. What are you doing, Carmen? Yeah, I don't understand. Usually I put like bronzer right here too. I mean, blush. I thought this was blush. Don't look like blush. Let's try this lighter one. I mean, it's pretty as a bronzer, but I just wouldn't wear it as a blush. Okay, let's try it on this side. Dark orange. I always start my blush like right here. Go into this light color here. Why do they have it marked as a blush? I don't understand. I'm just glad I got it, you know, but still. Looks like it is a bronzer and a highlighter duo. It's my nose trick. I take my bronzer brush, like so, push it into my nose, go back and forth. Okay, so there's someone outside, I like it. I like how it looks, you know. Let's just dip into both. Throw some up here. I don't understand that. Let me know If you guys understand like the shades, 'cause the shades look kind of, don't look blushy to me, but I'm glad I got it. And then I got the IGK hair good behavior spirulina protein smoothing spray. Heat protective blowout spray mimics the smooth, frizz-free results of a keratin treatment. 100% agreed. Their hair looks like they got keratin treatment at a salon. MSRP is $32. Smells good. You guys know I know nothing about hair. Sure. I got this Nude Sticks. Remember I was crying around for this? Okay. Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. Where luxury K-beauty multitasking color meets longwear performance. Magnetic Lip Plush Paints are luxurious soft nudes in a feather light blurring matte velvety texture that is non-drying and long-wearing, presented in monochromatic tones. MSRP $28. What, baby? Alright, I will give Yaya a nap, you guys. I'm sorry. And then I got this. This stuff I got before. It's the Mile High Club Volume Length Mascara. MSRP is $26. And I will put the price of the whole box and everything up here somewhere. Thank you for coming and watching. Have a blessed rest of your day wherever you are. And say hi to someone. Brighten someone's day. Even if it's a comment or whatever, just try to be positive and spread positivity. Have a blessed rest of your day wherever you are. Bye.